UltraTech, India's #1 cement, presents UltraTech SBR, a styrene butadiene copolymer latex, specially formulated for modifying plaster, mortar and concrete to enhance its compressive strength and for bonding old and new plaster or concrete surfaces. It is also meant for double protection of interior high water contact areas like bathrooms and kitchen. Benefits: better prevention from plaster damage, helps protect structural strength, higher durability of home, better dampness prevention, and better prevention from rusting. Let us take a look on how UltraTech SBR is to be used. Surface preparation. Clean the surface using wire brush in order to remove the dirt, dust and bond-inhibiting agents. Application. As a modifier for plaster, repair mortar and concrete. Add UltraTech SBR in the plaster and concrete mix as per the guidelines and use it as required. For polymer modified plaster, use 1 kg of UltraTech SBR for every bag of cement. For polymer modified mortar, use 3 to 3.5 kg of UltraTech SBR for every bag of cement. For polymer modified concrete, use 1.5 to 2 kg of UltraTech SBR for every bag of cement. As a bonding coat, for every 1 kg cement, add 1 kg of SBR and stir continuously using a mechanical mixer or stirrer to ensure lump-free consistency. Using a stiff nylon brush, apply 1 coat of slurry. Place the mixed concrete mortar while the bond coat is still tacky within 20 to 30 minutes of application. As a waterproof coating, clean the surface using wire brush in order to remove the dirt, dust and bond-inhibiting agents, and then wet the surface with water to bring it to SSD condition. Mixing. For every 2 kg cement, add 1 kg of SBR and 1 liter of water. Stir this mix continuously using a mechanical mixer or stirrer to ensure lump-free consistency. Mix only required quantity of material to be used within stipulated pot life of 30 minutes. Using a stiff nylon brush, apply the first coat of slurry on the surface. After the first coat dries, apply the second coat in the direction perpendicular to the first coat.